Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So getting right into the video, I like to start with my hair dried and stretched. And because I want a middle part, I'm just leaving my hair parted in the middle like you see here and just dividing it into different sections. To style my hair today, I am going to be using the Texture ID Thermal Multi-Styling Foam. At first, when I first started using the product, I didn't think that it would give my hair the hold that it needs for this style. But when I'm telling you this thing worked magic, oh my gosh, like no other product is in my hair but this foam, and it worked wonderfully. So I take 2 pumps of that foam and I apply it all over that section that I'm going to be putting the Flexi rod on. And I'm actually using the blue Flexi rods. I like them because they're not too small or too big. Then I take the Flexi rod and I hook it at the root of my hair, and then I begin twisting and twirling my hair around the Flexi rod, leaving enough space between each twirl to give the look like an elongated curl, kind of like a wand curl. And then I take that last piece of my hair and I twirl it around one more time, and then I take the Flexi rod at the bottom and I hook it right at the end of my hair so that it won't unravel while I sleep. So I am working in medium sections, and here I'm just repeating the steps again. I take that foam, apply it to my hair, detangle using my Denman brush, and then I start twisting and twirling the hair around that Flexi rod. Don't be afraid if it starts moving around like mine is. As long as it's hooked at the top and it holds that form of the curl, you are completely fine. And as you can see, I am twirling the hair as I'm twisting it around the Flexi rod, and then I hook it up at the bottom just to give it an extra hold. And I'm just going to continue to repeat this process all over my hair. And I believe I had about 20 to 23 Flexi rods in my hair, which seems like a lot, but really it was not uncomfortable to sleep with. So the next morning, once my hair is completely dried, I just like to unravel all of my Flexi rods, and then I take some oil. It can be any oil of choice. In this specific case, I use some avocado oil, and I just quickly put it all over each of those curls, and then I began the separation process. So the separation process is actually very simple. I like to take that section and just take it and start dividing it into smaller sections while still twisting my hair, just so that I can keep that form and not lose its definition. So as you see here, I kind of take the hair where it naturally separates, and then I just twirl it into the direction where it was formed, and then I just let it go. I don't know if that makes sense, but all you see me doing here is taking that one big curl that I had and making it into smaller curls to give my hair like a bigger look while still keeping the definition of those curls. And then once I do that, I just like to take either a pick or a wide tooth comb, and I just fluff my hair out just to give it a little bit more volume. I don't like to do it too much because as the day goes by, my hair will create its own volume. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this look. I love this Flexi rod look. I cannot wait for my hair to get a little bit longer to try this again. I hope that this video was helpful. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.